When some people are short on funds, they seek help online. So why not sympathetic supporters of Donald Trump? News.com has confirmed that some people are helping the former president pay a massive legal ruling in New York via the popular crowdfunding platform GoFundMe. Stand with Trump, fund the $355 million Unjust Judgement, the fundraiser is titled. It started Friday, February 16 after Judge Arthur Engoron ruled in Trump's civil fraud trial that the presidential hopeful will have to pay $355 million in penalties. The fundraising page was set up by Aventura, Florida resident Elena Cardone, who calls herself an ardent supporter of American values and an advocate for justice. She says the ruling by Justice Arthur Engoron is unfair. It's a moment that calls into question the balance of justice and the application of law, Cardone contends. She agrees with Republicans who say certain judicial elements have a goal of silencing a voice that has been at the forefront of advocating for American strength, prosperity, and security. Cardone says the GoFundMe drive is more than a legal fund, it's a call to all businesses, owners and entrepreneurs to rally in defense of all businesses and for a man who has never hesitated to stand in defense of us. A lot of people seem to agree with Cardone. As of Monday morning, February 19, her GoFundMe drive had about 9,000 donations totaling nearly $450,000. But as with many things involving Trump, it also has critics. Some people are demanding GoFundMe take the drive off its website. Trump can't profit from his crime, according to your guidelines, more than one commenter wrote on X, formerly Twitter. But Jalen Drummond, a spokesperson for GoFundMe, told Newsweek that the campaign is within its terms and services. Perhaps that's because Trump isn't conducting the fundraiser for himself. A private citizen appears to be doing it. And as with many things involving Trump, the campaign may wind up in court. The GoFundMe proposal is against the platform's strict rules, former federal prosecutor Gene Rossi said. He predicted it will lead to a request for an injunction or other civil remedy in court. Rossi added that if Cardone is engaging in fraud with the campaign, she could face criminal charges. A News.com search for Donald Trump on GoFundMe found several other fundraising drives. A couple of them are parodies. Stand against Trump, fund $356 million for me instead, William Hauck of Seattle says on his campaign launch Saturday, February 17. I stand unwaveringly against former President Donald Trump and any fundraiser made to help fund him, Hauck writes. The fact that people would voluntarily fund such a criminal in order to pay his court fees and fines is atrocious. After about 48 hours, Hauck's campaign had only a single $100 donation. The GoFundMe website says people use the platform to raise money for themselves, friends and family, or even complete strangers in random acts of kindness.